Are we in a bear market? In this video, I'll be addressing how to spot the likely start to the bear market for cryptocurrencies. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, I mainly cover investing topics, stocks, crypto, and forex. And I'm just your fellow investor, just sharing knowledge I have about the financial markets. If you haven't already, please help to serenade the like button and drop a comment for the algo. Alright, back to the topic. I'm sure most of you are feeling lost and wondering whether you should sell your altcoins after BTC took a huge drop last week, down almost 50% from the highs. Now let me give you my perspective. Well, to me, I'm still bullish and I'm not expecting a bear market yet. I will expect more pullbacks and corrections like what we experienced last week. And in any case, this will help you prepare for the bear market scenario as well. I know the feeling of your altcoin bags dropping 50% or even more in value, but don't worry, in the long run, all will be fine. I myself am experiencing it with you guys and have not sold a single coin. There are mainly two things to look out for. Firstly, price of Bitcoin trades below the 21 and 34 weekly EMA and not breaking previous highs. And secondly, price is resisted by the two EMAs. So what is the significance of the 21 and 34 weekly EMA? Well, looking at the charts, in the uptrend, Bitcoin always pulls back to the 21 and 34 weekly EMAs before it went under and signified a bear market. So let's go to the charts. So back in 2015 to 2017 uptrend market, there were several pullbacks. Price usually bounces off or near the EMAs in the weekly chart. Take note, I'm only using the weekly chart. Price could bounce off either EMAs, the 21 or the 34 EMAs. So the blue EMA is the 21 EMA and the red is the 34 EMA. So as you can see, I have circled the times price retraced and bounced off the EMAs. So in a bear market, we have to see the price failing to break previous highs after the bounce and goes below the moving averages. That is number one thing to look out for. So looking at 2017-18, price bounced here but failed to break previous highs and goes below the EMAs and broke support. So the chances of an uptrend continuing is significantly lower. Another example is back in 2014, price bounced off the weekly EMA but failed to make new highs, coming back below the EMAs and breaking support. So whenever price fails to make new highs, it's a warning to us investors that the uptrend is most probably over. Remember what's the number 2 sign warning us about the bear market? Price rejects the EMAs. In bear markets, price moves to the EMAs, gets rejected and sold. So back to the example of 2017, price fails to make new highs and rejects the EMA, signaling the downtrend. I know you guys might be wondering, what if price goes below the averages, make a deeper pullback, then goes for new highs? Well, that is possible of course, but we are dealing with probabilities. As the saying goes, the trend is your friend. So I would personally go with the flow. Okay, enough of past data and how to spot the bear market. Most of you will be wondering why I still think it's a bull market. Simple, I have not seen a clear sign that it's a bear market. Even though price has gone below the 21 and 34 EMAs, I expect a retracement. And if the price does not go above the EMAs and does not break previous highs, there is a very high chance it's going to a bear market or going for a deeper retracement. And in that case, I'll be selling my altcoins and waiting to buy back lower. I won't be selling my BTC though. I'll never sell it. Price points I'll be observing 42k, 45k, 48k and 58k. For this current week, price have to break above 42k and establish support around 41 to 43k levels. Same goes for the other price points in the following days and weeks. If let's say Bitcoin has a hard rejection and a huge bearish engulfing weekly candle from any of these key price points, there is a high probability that a bear market is emerging. And that is where I will be lowering my risk to the market and sell most of my altcoins into stables. Alright, that's it for me. If you like this video, please hit the like button if you haven't already, and subscribe if you want contents like this. And if you want to earn interest on your crypto, you can use Blockfi. Link is in the description below. And as always, invest safe and smart. The markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.